Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the essentials: Git, GitHub, Roblox Studio, and Rojo. First, create a GitHub repo and clone it to your machine so you can work locally. Once cloned, initialize your Rojo project file and map your workspace/server script service paths. Make sure Roblox Studio is pointed at the Rojo output directory. This immediate linkage lets you push changes from code files to a live Roblox place. Start editing Lua modules in your editor to see changes propagate. Now serve your project. Run Rojo serve so your local files sync live into Roblox Studio. You should create feature branches for isolated work and commit often with clear messages. This reduces merge conflicts. Once you have a change, run playtests in Studio and inspect the output and logs to validate behavior. If a bug appears, revert the last commit or use git bisect to find the offending change. Use small, incremental commits so you can trace regressions easily. To finalize, open a pull request and review the diff. Once approved, merge into main and tag the release so you know which build is deployed. If you use CI, run linters and unit tests before merging to catch issues early. Make sure to push tags and update release notes. If syncing or deployment fails, check Rojo version compatibility, verify your Git remote and authentication, and confirm Roblox Studio has permission to accept Rojo connections. This single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.